Good morning, everybody. Today is February 12th, 2020, and this is your stock market report about what to buy for this month and for this year. First of all, the general direction of the market is bullish, okay? Sometimes it's actually even too bullish, which I was able to take advantage this morning when Dow Jones ETF that I usually refer to is that's traded under the ticker DIA, David Iron Apple, jumped from $293 a share to $295 a share and 50 cents, and it all happened in a matter of basically minutes, and it was going so fast and so much that I just couldn't stop myself but to actually buy a put at $295 put for this Friday. Basically that allowed me to sell DIA 295 no matter what. So, and obviously as soon as this huge buying was over, the DIA collapsed back to $294 and like 50 cents, so it basically collapsed another $1, and I was able to sell the put that I bought for $1 for $1.30, which basically allowed me to make 30% in about 5 to 10 minutes. But the general direction of the market is up. It looks like whatever scare that we have from coronavirus and from some other economic news with China is basically was ignored by the market, and the stocks continue to go up. So my recommendations to you is to continue to buy the market, preferably blue chip stocks, because they are the strongest, most powerful stocks on the market. And one thing is that by investing into those stocks, you would be able to sleep well and not worry about sudden collapses, because as we all know, it's not just how much money you make, but how well you sleep that basically kind of like describes your behavior on the stock market. So you obviously need to be profitable, but you need to be safe and not super volatile. So let me just plug my app, because what happens is that there's 2,200 ETFs that are actively traded on the stock market, and some of them are performing really well, even though they are a basket of stocks and not just individual investments. So if you want to get this app, go to the website foretf.com. That will take you directly to the Apple App Store page, where you could download, install, and run this app on your iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV, and it gives you fresh buy and sell recommendations for 2,200 ETFs, and these recommendations are updated daily. The app has a very nice feature, which is a slideshow, where you could pretty much make all those ETFs that you should buy, you could just play them like in a continuous movie, because the app has as I said, the slideshow that basically will list them for you with charts, some most important data such as stock prices, volumes, market capitalizations, or other important metrics. So, but if we go back to the stock market, it looks like the buy pressure is still on. Maybe that's because usually in the beginning of the year, people either receive their year-end bonuses that they haven't spent yet. Also, a lot of people are filing taxes now and getting some substantial returns. So those returns are also flowing into the stock market because it gives, it's free money that people could, use for investment. But another very important aspect of money inflows are the IRA contributions. According to the tax law, you could continue to add to your 2019 IRA contributions all the way till March 15th or April 15th. So a lot of people, if they want to reduce their taxes and save for retirement, they could actually take this money, put it into this retirement accounts, and do not pay taxes on these contributions, which basically reduces the tax bracket and the tax payments. So, and those IRA contributions are flowing into the stock market right now, and this money usually is being automatically investment via mutual funds or ETFs or just stock holdings by the future retirees. So this extra buy pressure pushes the market. So I would say that you should consider buying the market. Be careful because the market is very high up right now, but obviously there's some dips on the market that you should catch. So for example, if you want to invest like me into DIA, what you need to do is, if it's trading right now at 295, put a buy order at, let's say, 292 dollars a share, like $3 down from its current price, because during the day this ETF does shake for about 1% to 2% a day, which actually gives you a swing of around $3 to $5 per share. So even if it's trading at 295, there's a chance you could buy it at 290, 291, 292. So buy the market. Everything is good, everything is bullish. Thank you for your time and good luck trading.